how to select multiple items in monday.com. So hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can select multiple items in monday.com. For example, if you're working on monday.com and you need to change some columns of multiple items, then if you do it one by one, it's going to take time. So I'm going to tell you how you can select multiple at once. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into monday.com. And once when you log in, you can see that you will be redirected to this home page right here. And there are multiple boards here. You can see that. And this is the home page. So let's open a board out of the blue. So for example, this is the board that we will be working on. So you can see that if I need to change the status of all these items, or for example, these items right here. So what I can do is, let's add some more items for a second, just to give you an example. Let me add some more items. And 3. Here you go. Now I have added 3 more items to it. Now, for example, what do I need to do? If I need to change all of these to one status. Now, if I've done all of them and I need to change all of these to done, I can do it by selecting, one and changing it and then doing the same for the other one, but it's going to be time consuming. So what I can do is I can click here. And then you can see there are some options there: duplicate, export, archive, delete, convert, move to apps, etc. But what do I need to do? I have selected all this. I can just go here and click on done, and all of them will be done. So that's how easy it is. And we can just leave them as it is and they will be back to the unselected mode. Now, for example, if I need to select a specific set of items, then I can just click on here and then change these to working on it. So these selected items will be changed right away. So it's as easy as it is. And this is the way you select multiple items on monday.com. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.